Good morning, student. Class 7. Today we are going to start lesson 1, our environment. In geography, here our environment, हमारी प्रकृति. You have learned in the small class also lower sections that environment, there are different types of domains are there on the environment: hydrosphere, lithosphere, atmosphere, biosphere. Human environment is there, evolution of human being is there, human environment interaction is there, environmental pollution. These topics are there. We will start with the topic introduction. All the living organism and the human being live on the planet Earth. Life is possible on the planet Earth due to presence of favorable condition which make life possible on the planet Earth. Environment is our basic life supporter system. It provides the air we breathe, food we eat, the water we drink, and the land which provide us with basic needs and space to live. Our environment, in our environment, Earth is one special planet which makes possible environment that we can all survive. Only this planet is there where human being can survive because there are all supportive system which makes the life possible in this earth. The word environment refers to all the external condition for survival of living organism. It is taken from the French word environment, meaning to surround. It describes everything such as the place, thing, nature, people, animal, etc. Environment is the French word environment. It is all surrounding. It describes everything such as thing, place, nature, whatever, animal, whatever is found in the environment. It also includes all things made by human being also. Human made means thing what? Dams, some ponds are there, artificial springs are there, roads are there. These also comes in the environment only. All the thing, organism living in the external condition refers to our environment. It studies the interrelationship between human being and the environment. In this, we will study what is the relation between environment and the human being. It is a great relationship because environment is valuable due to us. No one, if we don't interact with the environment, we cannot survive. So environment is given importance due to us. On the basis of their origin, the geographical element can be classified into two main groups. One, natural and human-made elements. Natural elements and human-made, two types of elements are there. Natural elements, trees, mountains, rivers, all these are made by nature itself. And human-made, roads, canals, all these are made by us. The element created by nature such as mountain, river, vegetation, animals, etc. are included in nature. So what is natural environment? I told you, natural environment includes the natural things. In natural things also there are two types of things. One is biotic component and one is abiotic component. The human-made elements which are made by human beings such as agriculture, industries, settlement, means of transport, communication, all are human-made environment. Human beings have developed these factors so that they can lead to comfortable life in their environment. The human-made things are made by human to live their life comfortably. So they are said, they are made for human, so they are said to be man-made things. The two types of environment, that is natural environment and human-made environment, interact with one another. They keep on changing from time to time and from place to place. These changes takes place due to certain natural process and human activities. Some of the changes that takes place are as follows. There are some changes which are created. We can see that landforms are being modified due to certain natural and human activities. Landforms means some plain areas are distinguished to different designs are made. This is modifications are done. We can observe that some changes are taking place in different areas and different season. You see some areas are created into greenery during the rainy season and dry when the rain is not there. Every day, certain species of plants and animals are becoming extinct and are on the verge of extinction, and new species are evolving. You see, many animals are going to vanish by time. They are verging, and say like dinosaur is extinct animal because it is not found now. And we create also so many things in the environment. Due to certain changes in the environment, the human being had evolved. These changes, whatever the environment changes are there, these all changes, any human being is so much of involvement of human being is there. Any changes in the natural environment causes variation in the human environment and vice versa. Any changes, whatever we see in the natural environment, all changes by nature it may be or by human being it may be. So different changes or whatever is made, there all human involvement is necessary for the nature. Thank you. Today